Hello, my name is Andrew and I love to make monsters. But I also like to customize toys, especially toy monsters. I bought this alien figure at Walmart a couple years ago and I thought it'd be fun to customize it. And it's just been sitting around. But then with the new Alien movie coming out, it's probably out by the time you're watching this, I thought it would be fun to revisit this idea and actually do it. We'll get started right after this. Remember, never stop creating. The first thing I want to do is get my alien in an action pose and lock that in place with some super glue. Now I'm turning this guy more into like a little statue instead of an action figure. I want to bring out all these incredible sculpted details that are on him, but I want to get rid of these ugly joints. And so to do that, I'm going to fill him in with some epoxy sculpt. I've never used this stuff before, but I got some in a craft kit, so it's just a 2-part epoxy. You mix it together equally, and then you can fill it in. It takes about 24 hours to cure. I'm going to start off by filling in those big gaps in his bathing suit area. With that done, I can go in and fill in some of the more obvious joints. We'll let that dry for over 24 hours. Now I'm going to use some different sandpapers to smooth out the epoxy sculpt and even it out with the plastic on the alien. Folding over a piece of sandpaper was really helpful to get into some of those deeper crevices on the sculpture, especially around his shoulder area. And now he's ready for a base coat of gesso. This will help the acrylic paint adhere to the plastic. After I let the gesso dry, I noticed there were some spots that needed cleaned up with a craft knife, whether it's some extra plastic, from the mold or just parts that had gooped up a little bit. So I went ahead and sanded those, and I did cover them again with gesso, and now I'm going to apply the base coat of black paint. This will give me a nice dark base to be able to dry brush over, and that'll make those sculpted details pop. For the color of my alien, I chose to use Folk Art Color Shift Metallic Acrylic Paint Gloss Finish 5194CA Black Flash, or Noir Brilliant. The only other color I'm going to use is this silver. I'm going to use that for his claws and his teeth. Now it did come with an egg and a face hugger, and I didn't want to spend a lot of time painting these. I thought they looked pretty good this color, but I just wanted to dirty them up a little bit with a dark brown wash, and that wash kind of helps those details pop on it. It's kind of the opposite, or some similar but different than dry brushing. Now my last step is to add some UV resin. I want to place it over the dome of the alien to give him that nice shiny look. And then I want to add some around his mouth, give him some of that trademark alien drool. Well, it's probably not trademarked, but you know, they're kind of known for it. Then I thought I'd add a little bit to these flaps on the egg because those are usually wet when it opens because it has all that gooey, alien, gooey stuff in there. And here is the finished alien toy customization. I had a lot of fun with this project. I think it looks a lot better than how it did out of the package, which was, you know, the main goal of customizing toys is to get them more, you know, the style you want them to be. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more customizing videos, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, be sure to give this video a like and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'd greatly appreciate it. All right, well, thanks for watching, and remember, never stop creating. Bye!